Hi, I'm Andrew Jenkinson and welcome to the Caravan Industry channel. Well, here I am at the NEC and it's a beautiful, gorgeous day. It's the first day, it's the first NEC for 3 years. Can't believe it was 2019, I was last here, but anyway, around here safe, plenty of cars, and I brought my granddaughter here, so it's her first caravan show with my daughter. Just short 3 months old, and she's here at the first caravan show. So what I'm going to do on this video is just literally, I'm just going to do snippets of the show, and I'll do some, hopefully some reviews to then upload over the next few days. Anyway, it's very, very bright. But as I say, it's a fantastic day here. Lovely, gorgeous, and a lot of people. If these people are all buying caravans and motorhomes, then someone's going to be having a good time. We shall have to see, of course. Anyway, once I've had a chat to my dealer friends, they'll tell me what's what. Let's get inside. Right, finished the NEC, done a couple of videos that will be coming on hopefully over the next few days, and what I've noticed is that I think on a fuel saving project, they're literally turning most of the lights off in the hallways here and just leaving some of them on. So in this bit I'm in now, there's only a couple of lights on where normally this would be quite lit up. They've still got some of that lit up down the bottom end there, I don't know if you can see. But down there's lit up. Yeah, so I've got a croaky voice. As I say, I've had a cold, and so that's restricting me a little bit to the videos, because every time I keep talking too much I do lose my voice, and before anybody in the back row there says great, don't. Only kidding. But now I'm going to head back home, yeah, that's the end of the video snippets. It was just the general trend of the show. Today it's Wednesday, and I've been told it's been pretty quiet on sales. Yesterday was a busy day, but I think definitely sales have slowed down considerably. And also, again, when it comes down to delivery on new stuff, you'd been told April, May delivery. So that seems to be the general norm. God, I need a drink of some description. Beer would be preferable. But anyway, yes, so I'm going to knock off on this video and do the old usual like and subscribe, as it says on the tail end of this video. I'm just looking around here because health and safety is pretty keen. I've been ordering people out and about, which they don't normally do as sort of, yeah, quick. But anyway, I'm going to shoot off and I shall see you soon. Well, I just finished the video before. I'm still here in the foyer, the NEC, and I've just met two lovely guys that have just come up to me, Roy and Phil, over near from Gloucester. And they came and shook my hand. We had a selfie shot with them. They enjoyed telling me how much they enjoyed the channel. It's brilliant. Cheerio! In fact, they're just going now, but it was just lovely. It's just great to see you. And they were just saying we didn't know whether to come and see you or not, or whatever. But if you do see me, please do come and just tap me on the shoulder and just say we watch the channel or whatever. Give us your comments. Right, I'm now going to go and get some tea. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you like them. Please don't forget to press the thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel. Bye for now.